For Civil Air Patrol cadets, a week at MTSU's campus meant getting hands-on with engineering and technology while exploring potential careers in STEM.
So Civil Air Patrol has a whole host of national summer activities that our cadets can choose from. This one basically is targeting kids who are interested in engineering and technology. We go around and we have visited different professors in their labs, and so they learn about engineering, technology, and careers associated with them.
Camp included tours, hands-on activities, and a group project, with opportunities to explore fields ranging from engineering and physics to aviation and data science.
My favorite thing that I have done this week was the engineering sides of MTSU, because I plan to go into engineering as a major, aerospace to be specific, and MTSU has an incredible engineering program. Before this week, it was not on my radar. Now it's one of my top options.
And bringing that experience to a college campus can help young people begin to picture themselves pursuing those careers.
Sitting in a college campus seat is a very powerful experience for a lot of youth. And so by having this here, having it on the college campus, interacting with real college faculty, I think basically allows them to see themselves in these fields. We are hoping that this partnership continues. We're looking forward to continuing to work with y'all and hope to offer exciting programming again next year.
The week-long academy is one of Civil Air Patrol's national summer activities, giving cadets the chance to explore STEM careers and gain hands-on experience right here at MTSU. For MTSU, I'm Carly Sutton.